Morning all. So where am I today? Well, I'm in the Cypriot village of Tala, which is above Paphos. You can see kind of Paphos down there. This is the church. It's early on a Saturday morning, so I'm just going to have a walk through the village square. Nothing's yet open, so we're at various restaurants and taverns and the like. Oh, the water fountain's working. Nice coffee shop up there. It is actually a beautiful day. I think, if my memory serves me right, it's the 1st of August today. And it's about 9:30 in the morning, and it's already about 30 degrees. So it is lovely. Lovely to see surrounding the square, restaurants, coffee shop. There's a lovely coffee shop up the top there. Up there, nice coffee shop up there. And then down here we've got a couple of nice restaurants as well. Mario's pub and the Militia Tavern, and apparently this does a great Cypriot meze. Never experienced it myself, yet. But I will. I wanted to bring you down here though, so you can see kind of how high up we are. There you go, that's the tavern. Great views, which is lovely. But we'll just walk back up here again a second, because like loads of places I go to in Cyprus, you don't have to pay for parking. Which, if you're a Brit, you'll know it's the bane of your life having to pay for parking. Use Ring and Go, or even find some change. Morning. This was all pedestrianised a few years ago. Not pedestrianised, sorry, cobbled. Which is lovely. See all the homes in the distance there. Another restaurant here. Look at that. Opens every day at 5:30. And that's a Honda from 1989. Yeah, still going strong, I imagine. So this is the free car park on the entrance to the village, and I say free as though I'm surprised, but no one in Cyprus is surprised. It is, as I say, a lovely day here, and if you haven't already, if you can subscribe, it costs you nothing, it helps the channel enormously. And if you like this video, why not give it a like? Because I am going to show you a simply superb view now. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. So Paphos is kind of round that side. We're looking at Coral Bay, St George's, right up to the Akamus, and that will be Paya up there, and sort of leading on to the Akamus. But isn't that magnificent? Just a short one. Thank you for watching. And if you drop me a like, that would be most appreciated. Let's just pan back so you can see all the houses. There we go. Until the next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.